Hi everybody, welcome back to Eli's Imagination Station. And today we are doing part 5?
I think so.
Part 5. This video of this Besttoy walking. And this video is being recorded on April 16th. I still haven't posted part 4 yet.
Oh, you haven't?
Nope.
You need to post
I
it.
usually get gum.
I'll probably post both of them tomorrow.
So that I don't get thirsty because I like to drink a lot more.
The other gear I have.
It's not very.
I'm the same way.
I'm going to try.
I said, hopefully I don't forget Grandma and Grandpa.
Where are they at?
They're in the bottom of the closet in there.
Maybe you should put it
I
in
know.
there.
That's what I said. I'll bring them in there about the suitcase. That would be about right.
Look what I got today, guys.
At
the carnival.
Leave the
I
parents.
got a rainbow chameleon. Quack. Wait, no, he doesn't
You're like,
quack.
Candy, do you think you could overnight Grandma and Grandpa?
Huh?
Millions don't quack.
Nope.
Alright, I'm going to take one out. So I want to get those. I want to make sure the little shaft that these little pulley things go on is lined up equally.
I also got another screen brakes. I haven't taken them out yet. He's got like a golden gun. I think it's like a money gun.
Too much.
My grandma has moved in with us.
Yeah, temporarily.
Yep.
Till we get a tiny home built.
Yeah, we're getting a little tiny home put in for us. That orange juice was good.
Was it?
I was very thirsty.
Yeah. Brought your water with you.
Huh?
To the carnival. There it went.
I like, when I'm really thirsty, I like being able to chug my drink. And when I chug water, it makes my stomach hurt.
Okay. So there's one leg. There's the other leg. Huh?
And I couldn't get it out of the couch by myself.
Yeah. And then, yeah, because I want to make sure that everything.
I thought you took one of legs off.
I did. I took that one off. Because I
Oh,
want
so you
I want to push these on at the same.
I don't know if she went on there tonight or not. I told her she had been on there.
Oh, you're making sure they're at the same level.
Yeah. Well, I wanted to see how far it sticks out before I try to put this one back on. And I'm really hoping I can get this one going. Oh, it did. It went right on.
Yeah, we'll have to make sure that they're at the exact same pose because they're both supposed to go up and down. The same time.
I know.
Clear on the other side of the bed. Had to roll over there to turn the light
They
out.
scare me.
I want to go off and try to do this.
That was it.
Move something. Right.
I didn't even get up and go to the bathroom.
That one's in all right.
Yeah. Of course, I didn't go to bed till 1 o'clock. I started at midnight. I thought, I just got one more of these. I might as well step on it.
Okay. Screwdriver. All on.
Just getting on good old friend Big Bird. Say hi to them. That's not what you're supposed to say right now. Say hi to them.
You don't listen, huh?
Say hi to the fans. I don't think that's how you say hi. Say hi to them.
Alright, we're gonna go, there it is.
Say hi to them. Tell them your name. Introduce yourself.
Yep, Big Bird don't listen.
Introduce yourself to the fans, Big Bird. Introduce yourself.
You shouldn't tell strangers where you live.
Introduce yourself to the fans. Introduce yourself to the fans. Introduce yourself to the fans.
There, finally.
So this is a Big Bird. I'm gonna pull him again, and he's gonna say it again. I bet.
Yeah, good idea.
No, you didn't.
I thought that since he finally said it, he was gonna say it again
Yeah, me too.
right after it once I pushed it or pulled it at me. Because he doesn't have a button to make him talk. He has a string that
Yeah,
you
full
pull.
string.
Or it has this thing which you kind of pull a little bit, and then you get your hand around it, and then you pull it until it stops. Hi, Big Bird. There you go. I said it again. He has a record inside of him. That's how I was able to slow him down earlier.
Like this.
Going very slow. That's the normal speed. This is the speed. This one is long.
What? Yeah. Well, I could put him here everywhere. But I'd probably get 2 days out of it. Just because I think it's very used. Go black.
Oh, yeah.
Now I'm home.
Remember to tell grandma to
I had a pretzel with salt on it and dipping.
She would be covered with hair on the cat. It would be all over her, like she's the fur coat.
Charlie shed, but it didn't get on you because he didn't
Right.
get all the furniture.
Right.
He's a good dog, he never even tried.
My dad said, Big Bird, you shouldn't say that to strangers.
Okay.
Although he said it to me when he didn't know it. I mean, technically, this Big Bird lives here.
Jazzy a pillow.
Yeah, he doesn't live on such a
At
street.
our
Good idea that that's where she was supposed to sleep.
Yeah, right.
Well, don't tell him our address because he'll be yapping it to
Jazzy
people.
gets so mad.
Alright, let's see if. Oh, I gotta screw that in first.
She was out there and pounced.
Hopefully, he'll move.
If she goes in there and they're in the bedroom talking or whatever, she'll walk in there and look at him, turn right around, come back out.
Guess I can't put
You stole my mama away from me. She said she had no idea what was going on.
Are they still at the house or is she?
No, they're at her house.
Oh, she didn't bring it back to you or something.
I thought I'd put them in the bedroom. Try to put some of my bird stuff in there.
Yeah.
You watching the repair, Grandma?
She's just looking her way.
Not breaking any more wires.
Next time I will get my hair done, I'm gonna see if, I'm gonna take him with me and see if she'll cut his too. Because, I mean, she cut it with scissors.
Yeah.
We tried doing the super cuts, and I told her, I was like, he doesn't want it very short, I was like, I just want a little bit off. She just way more than a little bit off, he was not impressed. We're not going back there again.
His hair's like mine, he just needs it trimmed.
Yes. A good trim.
I think I'll probably get mine textured some, or we call it layered, because it's so thick.
Oh, it is very thick.
Still won't go. Yeah, so this is gonna have to be down here. Where I had it before.
I don't know why I keep thinking of the days.
I said, I don't know. You're wanting this to be done
Did
apparently.
I?
Yeah.
I think so.
Apparently. Raylene said, how many more days do we have left? No, it was John. How many more days do we have left? And I said 15.
You get excited?
Yeah, they all, everyone's getting excited. Talking about the can of potato sticks, peanut butter jelly.
Yeah, if we use that
Anytime
SD card, we would have been already done.
Yeah.
When our family was growing up.
I'll have to look and see. Maybe it must be a small one in there.
Always had,
I thought it was a big one, like
always
it was
bought a
in the other
gallon can
mommy's
of
old phone.
potato sticks.
I always had a small one.
Little matchsticks.
Yeah, I
Well,
know.
he said it was just music on there, right?
Bread,
Yeah, I think so.
peanut butter, and butter.
I was gonna say.
Well, I deleted all the music stuff. I used to keep my pictures in
And
those.
I put
The wings are a little offset.
Yeah, one's bent. This one's straight, that one's bent.
Wait, what? What's it not moving? Is I think it needs a new motor. I think that's what it is.
Yeah. Well, that's now.
Huh?
Now. Before, wires kept breaking.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one is too straight. They're supposed to be, see how this one's curved?
Yeah,
And
that's
that one's straight.
strange.
Yeah, 'cause see, it's supposed to go all the way down. This one's not.
Yeah. I think it just needs a new motor.
Now it just needs to be.
Yes. That's what I mean. I think that's what it needs right now. Is a new
Yeah.
motor.
I don't think I got any motors that big. It's gonna probably be a whole nother repair.
You have any more of the little filters?
So that's gonna be much more complicated to take out.
And that more.
Let's say that, this is just one that's up there.
You got two boxes, well, one of the boxes is up there, but it's got, we got.
Well, it's nice hearing them again.
We hear them every time.
We haven't took a little break from that.
Yeah, just a couple days.
I'm not sure which one will be the next repair.
Be this one.
No, I mean once we've got them all fixed up.
Oh, I have no idea. Alright, jeez. I don't know if these motors are that size. I think these are
Your friends with Kelsey on Thursday?
smaller ones. Now we gotta take it even more apart.
owners of that Portuguese skeleton museum.
So she must know him pretty well.
We do know that many English people, right? Let them know where that's at. It's fine.
Screw anywhere?
But yeah,
Oh, man. Yeah, we gotta take it completely apart.
arrow game is since the arrow game is pretty big.
Better on that side or on this side? Holy cow. That's the size.
It's pretty what?
A big game.
Oh,
It's hard to put down.
yeah. I kept looking back for that game when I was playing the other game that Grandma showed me. But I mean, now that I think about it, that
Try to get this one off without breaking it. This is the one we had to glue a couple times.
It's still a copy.
now that I think about it, that little chip might just be a little bit smaller than the gallery because I think it was already running out of space, and there's some videos on it that are really long.
Two of those partners are chasing each other again.
I should have filmed the bird feeders.
You should have failed with the bird feeders.
Feel
At first you said
Still put
failed.
it in them.
a little bit.
Ada was trying to tell me something. That she wanted done outside her window. I guess everything, and she kept drawing, looked like wheels and a wagon. I could not figure it out. She was wanting somebody to fill up the bird feeders. She kept pointing outside, but I didn't know what she was pointing for. When Daryl come home, she said, "You." And so he was.
You knew what it was. No, she had a stroke. No. Well, you met her. She was in the nursing home.
She just said one or two words, but she didn't really conversate. She knew what was going on. She knew what you were saying. And she could give orders. I thought you were supposed to be running that
Oh,
show over
man.
there.
He usually walks away in the middle of the video and I'm just here doing stuff. Why will it not come apart? Was it hooked up there maybe? I don't know if I can remember how to get this back together now. There's so many pieces all over the place.
3.
Well, that's not too bad.
My goodness.
Is it a newer series?
I don't know. It just popped up. I was okay, that was good.
I don't know, Eli. There's gears all over the place.
The reason I know that is because he's dead. They found it in the water. He'd been in there for months. And it's just gross.
I don't know how this goes back together.
Yeah.
Because all the things came out. This is the most complicated gearbox I've ever seen. I have no idea where each gear goes. That one might go right there. Because all the pegs came out. So this peg, let's see, yes, and this peg.
I'm not hoping that this was gonna be one of the ones that we're gonna need more than one part.
Oh, we're gonna take a whole bunch more parts, Eli. A whole bunch.
I know, I was just saying, I wasn't hoping that this one was gonna be one that was gonna need more than one part.
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's not your fault.
Was it like that? Let's see how those.
Some of them are just more complicated, and they take quite a bit of them.
Maybe it was like this. So where does that go then? Jeez. The next bar. This one. I think it goes right there.
Peg.
What?
I said peg.
Oh, there's not even anywhere for a bar to go there.
It has already been 23 minutes, and it does not feel like we've been going for already 20 minutes.
What in the heck? Maybe here. Wow, there's just gears everywhere. Holy cow. Came apart, and all the gears just fell all over. I know this one goes here. That's about all I know. This one I think must go here. That one's there. I don't know what gears go on it. There's two other pegs. Goes in there. So it goes there, that one goes there. Okay. I don't want to come out of there. These ones won't come out. I'm guessing they must, we're supposed to be in this side. Because those don't come out of there. So that means this one. These come out of this side. Wow. This one's a nightmare. one goes right here. This one. The big one's gotta go right here. Oh, there's another peg. This is the one the wheel wouldn't come off of. Oh yeah, that's the motor one. The one the motor was hooked to. Alright.
Oh yeah, guys.
My hands are crazy.
Probably tomorrow. Got another unboxing video. Hopefully tomorrow.
Okay. No, that can't go there. That must go there. Yeah. So what goes in that hole? Oh, wires are breaking off again. More broken wires.
You can tell it's old and they use cheap wires when the wires just keep falling off.
Well, it's just because they're old. I don't know how cheap they were. It's definitely old. Because I've already soldered that one on. And it busts off again, but who knows where it goes. But we got a long time before we got to worry about wires. So I'm going to have to figure out how this gearbox goes back together. There's a bunch of gears and I don't know where any of them go. Somehow this thing spins, turns everything else. So that's a leg. So something's got to be a double layer one to connect to that one. It's not him. It's that one. So that gear connects to that one. I don't know what that one is, but it doesn't turn. I know that much. And this one is on a spring for some reason.
Yeah, I saw that.
Here's the itty bitty little one. Does that fit on there? Yep, that one fits there, so that's what turns that one. I don't know how any of the rest of these connect. Why is that one? That seems so weird. It doesn't turn really. It's really tight. I must have it in the wrong spot. Maybe this goes in there. This one goes in this one, maybe. Yeah, maybe it goes like that. It doesn't touch any of those though. Two gears left. Something has to go on this one. That ain't gonna work. Nope. gets so greasy. No, it doesn't reach. Reaches that. No, those don't touch. I thought they would.
Sorry, Mr. Chameleon.
Yeah, so that's not the way that goes.
At least the side that has all the gears is the side that isn't connected to the wires.
Yeah. That's true, I guess.
Because that would probably just be harder if it was the motor in that side as well. With the wires connected to it and everything.
It's so greasy.
Is that on screen? There's nothing in there.
So that all spins now together. Yeah, but I can't get it to connect to this. So something's still in the wrong place. These go like that. And these spin. But the motor is going to connect. Motor connects to this one. And this one doesn't spin anything with that one. So something's still not right.
I swear, to me it feels like we've only been going for like maybe 20 minutes, but we've been going for like 30.
It feels like a long time to me, but that's just because I'm the one that's trying to figure it out.
That's because you're the one that's fixing it.
Yeah. So maybe this one goes like this. Yeah, that one works there. But I still ain't got nothing that touches that, so what's this one do?
Did any of the gears go under that napkin?
No, I have all the gears in my hand. I'm just trying to figure out how to put them together. Because half of them were just laying in there. Trying to figure out how to get this motor one needs to be the one that spins those. But it's not. Oh. It's not reaching. Unless this one's in the wrong spot. Which means that one would have to. Nope, that one's not big enough. Right there. What about this guy? Nope, he's not big enough either. Nope. And those all seem to fit right there. Oh, there we go. Just don't know what this one does. Oh, it says gear work right down here. Ah, it's not big enough. This doesn't turn anything. That's down there, does it? Turns just that one. And when the spring is out, it doesn't do anything.
Yeah, I wonder why there would be a spring in there.
It's something with the pulling the neck thing, I think, but
Mm.
I just can't figure out how to get all the gears to touch. This one's got to be in the wrong spot. This one has to go here. Nope, that doesn't reach either. Maybe if I flip it this way. Does it reach now?
Looks like I'm spinning. Tiny
No.
bit.
No, it doesn't reach.
It slips.
Any of these have? Yeah, see that one's got a gear under it. That's what turns this one.
What was this one right here? Pulling one for?
That's the pulley that goes on the motor.
That doesn't affect
goes
anything
right here.
with what you're trying to do.
No. Nope, unfortunately, no.
I just
That's
thought that I
nice
would make
wide
sure because
one.
I saw it there.
Yeah. This one, no, it wouldn't work there either. I think I tried this already and it didn't work. Correct, it does not work. Well, that one works like that. So, that's awful close though. What's going to be that small? This one? Nope. Nope, that's too small. I can't get that one off now. There. That seems too close. Nope, that one ain't gonna work. This one work. This. That one work there. Nice, too close now too. That one works for that. That one does not have a. Does not reach.
Well, if you buy them, get the glasses and put them in wrestling outfits.
Hmm.
So you don't forget to take them off.
See, that's too close to that gear. It's not touching anything. Well, this is frustrating, to say the least. So I can't go to hell with this, but it doesn't have. That just falls through. That's definitely not it. It's there. Missing one. Getting farther and farther, bud. I'm getting farther and farther from figuring this out, it seems. It's like I'm missing something, definitely.
You're
That
missing
goes
a
in
gear.
there. I think I'm missing one of the shafts. Oh, there it is.
That'll probably help.
I had it in there before, but I don't think that one's. That's got to be where that one goes. But it doesn't really turn when it's in that hole. Something fell out. Damn it. What fell out? Oh, there's the other shaft again. Maybe it goes down. So this one has to go in here, I guess, where that spring is, but I don't understand it. This is on, nope, it doesn't reach that one. This one probably would. That's too big, because if it was that one, then the thing wouldn't go on. So the only one that can fit there is his one. Oh. No, that's too big too. Yeah, the cover won't go on with that one. Unless it's this one. But that fits so good there. be that one, but I don't think so. I think it's this one. No, it doesn't turn very good. If it is that one, it doesn't turn real good. This little one has to be the one that goes on there. Now, where did the rest go? This could go right there. Then these two don't touch. Nothing makes that one spin. So now. Nope. Turns that one. That's it. Doesn't turn anything else. So that would kind of make sense. And then if that thing pulls this down, then it stops. But why isn't it? Yeah, see, that gear is useless that way. That can't be right. I don't understand the spring. So all of those are connected now. Except this guy. He doesn't fit down there. Oh, that's not gonna work. Well, this is getting frustrating. I can't figure out how anything is supposed to connect. It's kind of hard to put it back together when this is the case.
And when there's that many gears, there's so many different combinations.
Yep, there is.
If it was just two, there would only be I think if it becomes any more than 3, there's like a lot of orders that you can put them in.
Yep.
Just bring it down so that we got it.
I said you can think that one goes there, but I don't understand why that should have to be. Well, with this thing, I like to complicate things. Nope, nope, nope. Can't do that one because it catches on the bar. This one I'm pretty sure. Keep it there again. What is this spring for? Other than to frustrate me, it just keeps popping out. Well, there's not even a gear down there, so it can't be something for that. Alright, bud. I can't quite figure this out right now, okay? So I can't figure this out right now. I'm gonna have to try some other time. The gears are just confusing me. Yeah, a lot of gears. They all fell out when this thing opened up. I can't figure out where any of them go. So I'll have to try again next time, I guess. We're gonna have probably 10 parts to this thing, I think. Because I gotta figure out the gears. And then once I figure out the gears, then we'll see if we got a motor. I don't know if this is the same size motor. No, we don't have a motor that size. Yeah, those are smaller ones, so I don't know what we're gonna do about the motor.
Might have to order bigger motors.
I don't know what size that is, so I'll have to get it out. So yeah, there's gonna be a lot more parts to this one.
Yep.
Okay?
Mm-hmm.
So you might as well hang up and go get ready.
You say hang up.
Or, you know what I mean. You don't have to.
Yeah, so that's it for part 5. Stay tuned for part 6 and all the other, however many other parts there is to come.
Yep.
Okay, bye-bye. We're going to say bye-bye.